टू valsquick tips and trick cooking channel. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकेन आनी आतां जावन आसा आमच्या गोंयांत कोणग्यांचो सिजन and these are our Goan sweet potatoes. We call it Kongeo and these are special because it is from Taligaon. So Taligaon is always famous for Kongeos. Other places in Goa also, but Taligaon is a special place where you can have it. It's 150 rupees a kg and these are like 3 kgs actually. So we choose which one, and today I am going to show you all the first procedure is to roast it. So either you can roast it or boil it, but steam it or whatever, but I am going to show you all the roast because it is trending in everywhere about roast. So I will choose which one I want. So around 5 I will roast, 5 to 6 I will roast. So for roasting what we need, a pressure cooker. So I will add some salt on down. Little bit of salt. Then I will keep a silver foil and a plate like this. Then we will brush our oil on this. So normal oil. Just apply oil. Now we need also some towel and water. So I am taking 2. So now first of all I will wash this kongeos, that is, and bring. So we will place this. Now we will sprinkle some salt on top of this, and then we will place this towel. On this. Now we will cover this and give 2 whistles. So on low flame we have to cook this for 2 whistles. That's it. So it took around 10 minutes for the first whistle. So like this will be one more whistle and it's done. And the second whistle. So now we'll let it cool down and then we'll open it. Now it's done. So we'll take our cloth, place it, and then nicely cooked. So it's easy to roast. See, so it takes actually approx 15 minutes on low flame, and if you do this way then nothing will happen to your cooker, like you don't have to much bother because salt is there. So hope you all will enjoy, and we are going to enjoy because we love. I will cut and show you one. And take a good cloth and do this. Okay, take a good cloth and yummy and delicious our congeos are ready. It's hot, so try this and enjoy. Thank you. So here it is. Enjoy our Goan Kongeos, yummy, delicious. This is the roasting style. So after you put off the gas, wait till the pressure cooker gets cold or cool down, and then you can open and enjoy this kongeos. Okay, that is sweet potatoes. Thank you. Devare Karun.